everybody. Zoe here with Crosby Scholars, Iredell County. Today, I am here to show you how to submit the community service form in our brand new CrosbyConnect portal. So, as you can see here, I'm already logged into the portal and on my dashboard. If you need help logging into the CrosbyConnect portal, that is in another video. But today I'm going to show you how to submit community service hours. So in the past, we've done community service hours a little bit differently, but now and moving forward, you can submit your community service hours directly from the portal. So as you can see on our dashboard here, on the left side, you can see how many community service hours I've already submitted for this program year. And you can see all of my upcoming tasks that I have. So as you can see, community service is listed as an upcoming task on my list because I haven't submitted any service hours yet for this year. However, if you have already submitted service hours, but you want to submit some more, you can always find community service and all your other tasks down here at the bottom of the screen. So if you click on community service from this link down here in the tasks list, that'll take you to the same place as clicking on it up here. But I'm just going to go ahead and click on the community service link, and that'll take me to a page that looks like this. And so from here, I can fill out my community service form. So when I click complete form, it will take me to this page. And so you're just going to tell us a little bit of information about what kind of community service you did. So starting with the number of service hours, let's say that I did 3 hours of community service, and then I'm going to go ahead and select what date I completed those hours. So let's say that I did this on August 10th. Then it'll ask you for the name of the organization you serve. So this is going to be maybe you were serving at a nonprofit, or if you were working with a school group, or maybe you were at a Crosby Scholars sponsored community service event. Whatever organization or group you were working with, that is what you're going to put right here. So I'm just going to go ahead and say Crosby Scholars because let's say that I did this at a Crosby Scholars sponsored event. But this could be whatever organization you were serving when you did the volunteer hours. Then you're going to write just a short description about what you were doing in this service project. So let's say that I was picking up litter with a group of Crosby Scholars. So I'm just going to type in just a few sentences about what I did. Maybe you were sorting cans at a food bank, or maybe you were writing letters to friends in a nursing home. Whatever it is that you were doing, just give us a short description of what that activity was. Then finally, it'll ask you for a verification or a contact person for your community service hours. So this could be the group leader. This could be any adult who was involved in your community service completion for this project. So this can also be like a parent, if your parent was helping supervise this. So any adults that can verify your service hours. So I'm going to say, Jennifer Jameson, who is another member of the Crosby Scholars staff, because maybe she was the adult that was overseeing our service project. And then you'll either need their phone number or their email address. So I know what Jennifer's email address is, so I'm going to go ahead and put that in right there. And so that's all you need to submit. And so then you'll just hit this submit button down here at the bottom, and that will send your community service form to us, the Crosby Scholars staff. So we'll take a look at your form and then either approve or deny the form based on the information you put in. And then if your hours get approved, they will show up back here on your homepage, on your dashboard. You'll get an email that says, woohoo, your hours were approved, and they'll be calculated into your total community service hours from your dashboard. So I hope this information was helpful. If you have any questions, you are welcome to reach out to any of the Crosby Scholars staff because we are here and happy to help.